Hi, this is Melanie with Art by Melanie, content creator for Paint Pixie. Today we're going to be using the French tip and the little Frenchie brushes in our project. To start off the project, I'll be using the French tip. I'm also using the new Magical Chalk Paint by Paint Pixie in the color Mud Pie, a beautiful deep gray tone that is perfect for the background of this piece. As you can see, it's a highly carved piece, and the brush allows me to get into every nook and cranny very quickly and easily. Once dry, I'm ready for the next step, and I picked up my Magical Chalk Paint in Marshmallow, which is a nice light white color, and I want this to be a dry brush, so I'm really rubbing that off on my paper towel and starting to go back over all of the carvings with that really dry brush and see how that starts to really define the carving. I love the look. The flower just pops out. I went ahead and did the inset of the piece, and then decided to also brush a little bit around on the frame of the piece to make that stand out as well. Once I got this far, I decided I wanted to add a little sparkle. I picked up the liquid pixie dust in white sand and did the same dry brushing right over the top, and you can see how this just really brings that detail to life. It adds just a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of highlight to that inset, and I think it was just perfect. And just like that, so quick and easy, a really beautiful piece of decor to add to your vignettes.